Hey, look though, I know most of the video it looked like the quality kind of changed because it did. Because when I was in the car, I was recording with the camera, and then when I got out, I was recording with my phone. So, and then like I know most of the video I didn't show most people's face because I didn't want to just be up in a bunch of niggas grill and shit, and with my phone, just, you know what I'm saying. So most of the video I had it down a little bit. So, you know what I'm saying. But I cut most of the video parts out because most of the time I was just walking around, just recording and shit, you know what I'm saying. So I just tried to get out the best of what I got, you know, with my footage, you know what I'm saying. So, you know what I'm saying, if y'all fucking with the video, man, as always, man, just leave a like and comment if y'all can, you know what I'm saying. So we almost had 2.5K subscribers, so y'all boys tap in with me soon, man. I'm gonna get at y'all with some more videos and I'm out. I don't even mind all this bullshit, man. But look though, YouTube, what's going on, man? You know what I'm saying? I usually don't even do these type of videos, but look, it's not even like a vlog or nothing, but you know what I'm saying? About to pull up to this little car meter shit. Nah. Me personally, I don't do car meets because I don't even got the type of car to even be at them type of joints. You feel me? Like, niggas be having scats, SRTs and all that shit. And I'm about to go outside and show y'all what I got, man. Hold on. Let me get this shit right quick. Hold on. Yeah, what I got, I ain't got shit. That's the best at all. Motherfucking, I ain't gonna show my mouth life plate, but it's my shit right here, man. You know what I'm saying? I just got my big watch today though. But look, I got a nice little Malibu and shit though. You know, let me turn that down. You know, my shit ain't the best, but it ain't the, you know, the worst either. I got it right now stock, you know, everything is stock on this bitch right now. You know, I'm just giving it a couple months before I start doing everything I want to do to it. You know what I'm saying? So, like right now, probably in the next couple of months, I'm probably finna, you know, well, not in the next couple months for this, for the next couple of weeks, probably gonna tint all the windows. Then I'm gonna go down to the rims. And then I'm gonna go under the car and shit like that, you know what I'm saying? With the mufflers and all whatnot. Probably gonna change these regular badges out because, right now I got the gold ones. I want the... Look, I just trying to stop the video, but I was saying like I'm about to probably change the emblem out on this and the outside because I want my shit to be black. You know what I'm saying? So I want my shit to be blacked out. So that's why I'm probably gonna tint it, get black rims and everything for it. You know what I'm saying? So I'm about to go ahead and pull up to this car meet up with my nigga JC and them. So we finna go ahead and see how that shit finna be, man. So look, y'all just stay tuned to the video, man. I'm gonna be right back with y'all. 40,000 in your pocket, nigga. Be humble. Police eyes, little nigga. You be getting niggas in the truck. Shot the Draco so many times that shit made me scared. Trying to get used to recording and shit, not being too shy with the camera and shit. That's why I ain't been uploading like I want to. Cause man, but traffic out this bitch booming. Fuck that money up and went broke before. Made a promise to myself I ain't going broke no more. Picked up a gun, now that nigga I know trying to go catch that sale. I know it's so many niggas out there wish I failed. Bitch, I never fall. Can't let these niggas cross me over like they named Jamal. I lost a lot of real niggas, I swear. You got the old one. That bitch will leave half of these cars here. That's all right, though. Hey, man. My buddy Smooth. He be at me dying. I ain't gonna lie. You want Eric to be at me. Duh. Appreciate you, man. This nigga, y'all bucket. Yeah, my shit ain't compared to none of these bitches out here. I'm just... I need that. I need to split it. Why you debadge your SRT on your shit? That bitch came like that. I might get it back. I'm about to say, you gotta get like some black ones or something, or? This look hard with the black with the red outlining there if you like the red. Black red outlining. That one was right there. Fuck it, man. I'm gonna go ahead and give me a little video, post it up and shit. Big TRX. I feel like
Yeah, I'm trying to hear like. Oh, that nigga
That bitch hard. I ain't gonna lie to you. That bitch. I left my motherfucking camera in the car. I should have go. That little bitch hard. I ain't gonna lie to you.
It's crazy. That's the best car I've seen. Doing that bitch on the paper.
So they got all the
Them bitches that bitch. Niggas got some get ups at this motherfucker.
Once I get to that,
like 100.
I ain't gonna lie, I never check the prices on them.
You can check them shit. They be starting off about like 60.
I should ask them like, who is that?
Check the website. You gotta check the website. They got some they be starting out about 45, probably 50 or some shit.
45. All right.
Nah, I'm thinking of some Mercedes and shit. They got them bitches starting at 40, 32,000.
Yeah, that's you, bro.
Let me see. I bet.
Yeah.
Oh hell yeah.
That right there in my
Oh yeah, this bitch right here. They might leave my shit.
That bitch will leave every car in this motherfucker.
Look at that motherfucker real quick.
What the hell is even that?
Ooh, that motherfucker's a beauty.
Yeah, that bitch since it came out.
What make a nigga do some shit? Like for real.
They just got the money for it.
Yeah. He's not our color.
Oh yeah.
That's
Now,
one.
Two.
Oh, then you see like
Working with the money. God, like
you see who he was working with.
He working with what he got. Niggas ain't doing that nowadays. Niggas trying to go above and beyond. Niggas ain't going with what they can deal with.
Imagine putting it.
That's scaring me, nigga. That shit, boy, popping my eardrums.
I'm getting PTSD.
Y'all can't forget about these mirrors back to back to back to. You don't see the mirrors though. Them bitches hard.
Said the Camaro.
Hell yeah.
They all right. I don't know.
That's that one bitch. That's that one bitch you sent me, wasn't it? That green and that one that's coming through.
Oh yeah, that's bro. The rap guy. Hey, I like how they did that.
That shit hard. They got that Stinger. Oh, I get it because it's a Kia Stinger. No. that shit was corny as hell.
I don't know, bro. The front end and the Camaro is just. But these the older body.
Yeah, I like the 23 one. But I ain't gonna lie, I'll set that bitch over a Challenger. Niggas be sleeping on the Cadillacs though. Get you a
It's a balloon over here.
yeah, that CT4V. That bitch will get you right. That bitch right there. So when you said something about it.
That's why I need to get my blood flickers needed.
So your shit can sound like that?
I want on my Jeep, bro.
So my shit way live.
That's perfect. That's
Nice.
perfect.
I ain't about to come to this bitch stomping my shit. They'll be like, boy.
See the blue one?
That's what I was talking about. That's that CT4.
I know it's two of them. He got peanut butter guts.
That's what's his name?
Bro, that's
That color hard as hell. You ain't done either, you can tell.
Oh, we gotta keep this nigga walking in, bro. It's about to be perfect. Yeah, you gotta change. That's how the challenges come about.
Ain't no getting round. Ain't no getting round. Oh, you about to park? See the blue caddy right there, though? And this blue CT4 right here, hard as hell. Niggas pulling up. Don't get you an Audi. Don't get you an Audi right there. Something like that white one. The bitch is hard.
Driver.
She fucking around in that bitch.
She almost nicked. That's an RT. I see her lights did though.
Yeah, yeah.
This bitch is like one across.
This bitch.
That's RT.
What the fuck is? Damn. That bitch hot as hell.
I can tell, bro.
That's a V2. Ooh, and he done tinted the lights.
No, that's hard.
He tinted the lights on that bitch. That shit hard.
That'd be the
Yeah.
Are you talking about that? Yeah. I think that's cool, but think about it. If you the type of nigga that like running from the bullets, that's gonna like just show that like, all right, he right there. Oh yeah, he got the lights on. It's reflective.
Damn, what the fuck? That is like a sports car charger.
Bye.
He got ads on that bitch.
What type of rims is them though? I ain't never seen.
Nah, this bitch hard as hell.
I'm talking about on the charger. Them bitches that's on the Zentorno.
That nigga said this is Zentorno. This bitch right here, this is an S5. All them decals on that bitch hard as hell. I ain't even get a close up on these caddies though. Them bitches too hard.
I was thinking about doing that. I'm like, oh, shit, so much shit. Look at the back of the boat.
That's a V2. Hold on, they both V's? I think this one the older one, but that one newer. I might be tripping though.
Look at the splitter. That's what I'm looking at. It looks like it. That shit like a transformer, don't it? Yeah.
That shit hard as hell.
I need one of these. I could be up there.
But they in this bitch tripping with the little.
That's that Paul Walker bitch.
They talking about that's that Paul Walker bitch. That bitch hard as fuck.
Hey, you got Katie next.
Which one? Oh, that's different.
That's that one that had the bag.
That bitch getting up on everything out here, man. You bullshit. Niggas be pushing. Damn, hold on. Damn. That bitch sitting low as hell, too. He lowered the suspension on this bitch, too.
That's what I was putting up.
This a V2. I didn't even notice to look at the logo. That bitch low-key hard as shit. Hell Rango, that bitch hard.